Um, yeah, so this tutorial will basically give you a quick overview on how to import the theme and how to set up our new events section. This is a custom post type with custom fields where you'll be able to add um, the date of the event, the time, the address, and just some content. Um, so yeah, let's get started. So here I have an empty install. I'm going to go ahead and import the church theme. So upload, here it is. Now all our themes will come with a one-click import. It's basically, you'll see it once you install the theme, you'll see a custom post type with the name of the theme on the side. But before we do that, I want you to focus your attention on this new message. Normally, when I create my themes, I make it without having to depend on a plugin. But since we're making a new custom post type, which, as you can see, it appeared here, is called events. It's going to need custom fields. So there's no better plugin out there than advanced custom fields. So what this message is basically telling you is prompting you to install the plugin. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So begin installing. By the way, this is a very reputable plugin. It has over, I don't know, I think it has over 4 million installs or over a million installs, something like that. It's free. There is a pro version, but for our purposes, we could use the free one. So let's go ahead and install it. And then we don't have to activate it yet. Let's install the theme first. So let's go to, again, we have the same message. You could ignore that. Let's import the theme. Just give this a few seconds. Okay, you should see if everything imported successfully, you should see this message. Now let's go to our pages and let's see if it imported the theme successfully. Voila. You can see it imports the menu. So let's just go through it. Okay, now one thing I want you to notice is the events section is missing. And that's because we haven't activated the plugin. So let's go to our back end. Begin activating, or we could just go to, so you're gonna see here, let's activate it. Now there's still one more thing you have to do. Once you activate this plugin, let's actually visit the fields. So field groups, you're gonna see this sync available and it says one, so let's click it. Basically, these are the fields that I created for the custom post type events. So you want to go ahead and you want to sync it, and what that's going to do, it's going to generate all the fields required for that custom post type. So you could see it has a start date, an end date, start time, end time, and location. Now importing the theme should also import the dummy content. So let's go to events, and there should be 3. Let's enter one to see what it looks like. So you have your regular description, body content, and then this section, this is where you set your start date, etc., location. And if you preview it, it's going to be a single page. It's going to look like this. If you go to the home page, it's going to look like this. Now the thumbnails are missing, which we could easily correct here. Again, this is just a sample content, so you're gonna have to replace with your own, but just to give you a little quick preview. And here it is. And also, this page will show all of your events. Right now we only have 3, but on the home page we'll only display 3. If you want to change the amount, you could easily send me a message at my website under support. If you go to Divi Dezigns, just go to contact me. Just if you have a question, let me know and I'll show you how to make more than 3 on the home page. But if 3 is okay, you will get to see all of your events on this page. It'll display as many as you put. And adding an event is just like adding a page. You would go to add new, put your title, your content, your date, location name, address, featured image. If you publish, it's going to replace the latest one, so it'll always be on top. Yeah, so that pretty much covers this tutorial. I hope you enjoy the theme, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at dividezigns.com. Thanks.